This is the verse for Crazy Train. First we got to get a bunch of chord shapes down. 7, 6, 5. That's starting from the D string. Then you move down 1 fret and you have the index and middle fingers swap strings with each other so that you have 6, 4, 5. Then you take that shape down 2 frets, 4, 2, 3, and then we're going to have an A major chord, but I always play it like this. I bar, and you'll kind of see why in a minute. Not really using the high E string. In fact, it's kind of muted by the way that my fingers slanting up out of the bar. So you're going to want to practice this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the picking hands, the A string is going to be palm muted, and the picking hand is going to do this. 1 and 2. So it goes da 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 strum, strum. And there are 2 different fills that he does. He does all kinds of variations, but the first guitar fill is starting at the G string. That's a pick on 4, pull off to 2, pull off to open. Same thing on the D string. Same thing on the A string. Then there's another one that's a little bit simpler. That's just bending the 4th fret of the E string and then going to open A. So when you put it together, you get this.